Hello again, everyone. I wanted to share with you a recent order I got from Yoseka Stationery again. I've been ordering a lot from them. They've kind of replaced jet pens for me during quarantine time just because they're a smaller business and I want to support them. And they're still offering free shipping and pretty expedited shipping. So that's why I've been trying to support them. I already unwrapped everything. I actually tried to record this once before and I kept getting texts between my husband and my sister-in-law, and they were talking about the quarantine episode of Parks and Rec, and it was like 50 texts. So I had to stop and start again. So here we are. So what I got in this order, I'll just go through these in sort of a clockwise manner. So I got another 1911 Junior from Sailor. I've really been enjoying the other one that I got, the one that is all red. And I really wanted to try out a different color. I mean, they all write the same. They all have the same size nibs, which I think is roughly a soft medium, I think. But this is a really beautiful green color, and I thought since they're relatively inexpensive, it would be nice to have that in my collection while they're still available. So I'm going to close that up. I'm not going to take this out and ink it or try it out today, but I may in a future video. I'm actually planning on doing a Sailor comparison video at some point when I get around to that. So I'm going to put this one off to the side here. And then I also got some Sailor permanent black ink cartridges. They do have proprietary cartridges, so I had not seen these anywhere else, and I thought I'd try them out. Although it seems like Sailor is getting larger distribution these days. I don't know if that's actually true, but it seems that way to me. And then I got a couple of these gel pens, which were also new to the store. So this is let me read it off there so I don't get it wrong. This is a uni-ball 1.5, and this is in a light pink color. And then this is the same pen, same size in black. And I already went through and did some tests on my little test sheet here. So that's the pink and that's the black. They're really, really smooth. And they come in a variety of colors, and the colors all seem to be very vibrant and beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. And I'm going to put those across the way here. And the other thing that's the big thing I got is these markers, but I also wanted to let you know that they were really super sweet and sent me a fountain pen ink sample in a little jar, but unfortunately it had leaked a little bit, so I can't read the name off of there. And once I can try and decipher that, I will let you know, but that was very sweet of them to do that. So, and that came with a little thank you note as usual. And so the biggest purchase in this order are these Sailor markers, which have 20 markers in the colors that are in their Shikiori line. So these are the same colors that they have released in fountain pen inks. I'm going to put my sample sheets off to the side for a minute. So it came with this little booklet, so it tells you all about, here's all the different colors that come in this collection. And then it also has this nice little fold out which shows you all of the different pens and inks that they have that go together and that sort of thing. So, and I think the new Sailor fountain pen that I got not too long ago is this one. And since it's all in Japanese, I cannot tell you what the name of it is, but that's a very nice little insert there that came with the markers. And what I went ahead and did was sampled each of these so you can just see what colors we have here. I'll kind of zoom in a little bit. And they're all really, really pretty. And part of the reason why I wanted this is, first off, I had only seen these markers at Yoseka Stationery. I'm going to move that over so you can also see the label at the same time. I'd only seen them at Yoseka Stationery, and my understanding is that these are a limited edition, and I thought that it would be really nice to have some markers that were in some sort of different colors than you normally see. Like normally you'll see a bright vivid red, but you won't necessarily see something kind of nuanced like this wine red. But they were just really beautiful colors and they really appealed to me. So I went ahead and got those. So I think that's it for today. I will put the link down below to the products that are here, and feel free to like and or subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.